This is a 28 white LED solar panel lantern. You can see 3 watt and 3 watt, total 6 watt solar panel connected in series from where the internal Li-ion battery is charged. This can also be charged by a telephone charger from the mains. Electric room light 39 white LEDs operated directly from AC mains. This type of lamp is specially suited for staircase, bathroom and hall. This is a 32 white LED lamp specially suited for desk work, and the intensity is variable.
Hello everybody, my name is C.S. Roy, the main guiding man, you can say, for this particular website which I think you are in now, www.microcoat.com. Here I will speak on LED lighting, and also I will show you what we are doing in the renewable energy business. First, let us start with this lamp. In the previous video, you have seen this particular LED light. You can use it as a table lamp, you can use it as room light, etc. It has already been described. What has not been described, that this particular unit has got a lithium-ion battery and it can be charged with any Nokia mobile charger. Besides, it can be charged with this solar panel. This panel, it's a 6 watt solar panel. You can just insert and keep it under sun, bright sun, and it will be charged. The full charge requires 8 hours typically. So this is a solar room light, battery operated, so it can also be used as emergency lamp. Next comes, it's a table lamp. I use it so often for my work. This particular lamp, you can see, it consists of 4 high power super bright LEDs. These LEDs are typically from Edison, Lumiled, and it's a 1 watt LED, so it's a 4 watt table lamp. And I have used it for so long, and my idea about this is, it is producing equivalent illumination of a typical 9 watt CFL table lamp. Now here comes, I will show you outside 9 watt room light. 9 watt room light, our whole workshop outside. I will show you after some time that these 6 lamps in an area approximately 800 square feet is being illuminated exclusively by these 6 9 watt lamps. What's the benefit? Benefit is, main benefit among others, is the long life and energy saving. You can say that energy is saved also by fluorescent lamp, but it's more. It's more means about 33% extra energy is saved by using this particular LED lamp, comparing with equivalent CFL in terms of illumination. It consists of 9 LEDs, you can see. This is a solar torch that we have designed recently with a built-in panel over the surface. That's a typical 3 watt panel, 3 watt. Now this is, main lamp has been replaced by, incandescent lamp has been replaced by one high power LED, 1 watt. And what's the benefit? As you know, the solar energy, it's a very expensive energy till date. So that particular energy must be conserved, must be saved as far as possible. With the LED illumination, highly efficient light energy source, as you know, unlike incandescent lamps, this is possible. And the typical battery service life, that means once 8 hours charge is complete, it gives you continuous illumination up till 2 hours. And for intermittent use, this is good enough, we believe. This you can see 1 watt LED. I was showing in the previous scene that 9 watt lamp. Each lamp consists of 9 such LEDs. This is the LED portion, and this is the star-shaped heat sink. As I told you earlier, that this type of LEDs, they emit lot of heat. So the thermal management is very much necessary. And that's why each LED is mounted over this star-shaped aluminium heat sink. You can see 2 9 watt lamps fitted at the ceiling of a typical electronics workshop. So you can see these 2 lamps have replaced 2 conventional fluorescent tubes, and thus causing considerable saving of energy. Even here you can see one desktop 4 watt LED lamp that has replaced a small 9 watt fluorescent lamps, and the workers are working with this illumination, which we think proper. This particular room light is operating since 2 years. I installed it in the year 2008 plus, 2009 beginning, and it is working trouble free since then. And the brightness has remained one and the same since the day of inception. Suppose it had 40 lumen, we have measured recently, it is still having 40 lumen. This is a solar charge controller made by us. We have designed it around microchip 16F72 microcontroller. What does it do? We will show you one street light type of device which is being operated under this. This is a maintenance-free batteries, SMF battery. It is being charged with a solar panel installed at the rooftop. It is 80 watt solar panel, 2 40 watt panels cascaded together to charge this battery. But there is one problem, anticipated problem. During very hot summer days, the battery may be overcharged. And on the other hand, during rainy season, when continuously 3 or 4 days the sun is not there, the battery may be discharged beyond its limit, and that's called deep discharge. Both the problems are handled by this charge controller. So the charge controller does not allow the battery to be overcharged, or it simply prevents the battery from being deeply discharged. Deeply discharged means when the battery voltage goes below 9 volts. So this takes care of this. And another job it does, automatically, it's a dawn to dusk controller. That means automatically it switches on the light during night, during evening to be precise, and during morning, that's at dawn, when sun is rising, it automatically switches the lamp off. Let us see that solar street light. This is the solar street light. It's 9 watt and 18 watt. 2 ratings are possible. Here we have shown you the smaller one, 9 watt solar street light, and it is being controlled through that earlier panel, that solar charge controller that I have already displayed. Hi everybody. In the previous video, I have shown you that the control panel for this solar energy system. By the word control panel, what I mean was the charge controller and the energy storage source. To be precise, the charge controller. The charge controller gets the energy from these two solar panels, 40 watt each, and that energy is being stored at the battery, SMF battery that you have seen already. These two 40 watt panels have been connected in parallel to create an energy source of 80 watts. 80 watt solar panel is fine for driving one 18 watt or sometimes two 9 watt lamps. But if more energy is needed for a typical home, suppose several fans, several lights, etc., then we recommend 120 watt panel or even 200 panels. The bigger the panel size, more energy it can deliver. That's plain and simple. This is a 10 watt flexible type of highly efficient panel. This panel I showed you earlier, it has got larger power rating, but energy efficiency is to some extent poorer than this. It's claimed that this particular panel reaches the energy efficiency in the order of 15%, 15%. That's a very high figure in this world of solar energy conversion. This particular panel, 10 watt, is being used for charging some mobile phones downstairs. It's a very interesting application. Our 10 or 20 workers, they have got their own mobile phones. They are getting, those people, they are getting their mobiles charged through a battery, and the battery in turn is being charged to this 10 watt solar panel. Thank you.